Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dark mode on your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to display. Then go to dark theme. Just turn on this button dark theme so that dark theme will be immediately applied. Okay, this is dark mode. Okay, if you want to set custom dark mode, yes, you can select. Just click on dark theme and here click on schedule, and here you have two options: turn on at custom time or turn on from sunset to sunrise. If you select sunset to sunrise, sunrise means automatically the timing will be detected by your phone, and from sunset to sunrise dark mode will be applied. Okay, usually at night time. Okay, if you would like to set your own timing, yes, you can select second option, turn on custom time, and here click on start time and set the time. Here if you choose 5 p.m. and today 5 p.m. Dark mode will be starting automatically, it will be applied. And end time, you go to select the end time should be next day. Okay, or after 5. Okay, today after 5 you select between this time dark mode will be active and ended. Okay, so here I just select 5:19 a.m. okay, and click OK. So during this time dark mode will be applied. Okay, this is custom schedule. Okay, if you would like to use instantly, you go to turn on this button. Okay, and I turn off now, and it's now come to the light mode. Okay, so in this way you can either immediately apply dark mode, or you can schedule a dark mode, or you can set sunset to sunrise option. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.